Today, I wrapped myself in over $100 worth of bubble wrap. This equals over 1,000 square feet. This is what happened.
Oh my god.
In this video, we bought over 1,000 square feet of bubble wrap. They're gonna wrap me in it. After, we're gonna do the A to Z challenge. So let's get right to it, guys. I was gonna go like this, and then I'll like hop around. It'll be funny.
Yeah. What if you fall?
It'll be funny. I'll be protected from the bubble wrap.
What about your face?
My face is steel.
Yep.
Okay, and then pass it to me.
Okay.
This is a lot of bubble wrap, guys. This is over $100 worth of bubble wrap.
Stupid fucking dummy.
Oh, I just wanna feel free.
Why'd you buy so much? Why?
Go so crazy. I just wanna be a freak.
This is so much.
Does it feel weird?
It feels really weird. I can stop a bullet.
You need to just stop.
I will see, yeah, you won't see that I will get it. Cause I'm really focused, man, I make it with the rap and I just follow my path, I just follow my passion. To me, this is...
Guys, this is 1 out of the 4 rolls. That's 1 down. Now we got 3 more to go.
I could be the guy taking you wild, I could be the villain, what good as a kid.
I have an idea. No, stop.
Oh my god.
Oh! What you got?
Making runs every day, man, you know that I go insane. Yeah, I hit you with a bullet to the brain. Let us stop first cause we going insane.
Guys, we're halfway there.
Fast as fuck, boy.
Bring it around town.
Bring it around.
Bring it around town.
Guys, we got 1 more left.
Know what I'm gonna do, you don't know what is next. And I'm loving the fact, truly it's making me blessed. Cause I work on my team, no snakes in the grass. And we have the trust in the wind because of the work that we did in the past. Because of the work that we did in the
Sweating
past.
so much right now. It is like a pool of sweat. Guys, that was over 1,000 square feet of bubble wrap. Now we're gonna go do the A to Z challenge. Guys, it is so hot in here. Okay, let's go.
Bates! Oh! Oh my god! Wait, he has hops though.
Let's go.
Dude, you're not gonna fit. Are you sitting? Are you sitting right now?
Yeah?
It looks like Steve from Minecraft when he crouches over. Because you keep jumping. Bend.
This is scary.
I can't breathe. Wait. Why didn't we just make it like a suit that I can just slide on? Now we're about to go do the A to Z challenge, guys. Alright guys, we're almost done. We're dying right now. I'm so hot and they're freezing cold. We have like maybe 3-4 places left to go. And then we're not doing Z or X because stores like that don't even exist. I just be playing with the bubble wrap. It's like so hot inside of this right now. It's like 1,000 degrees.
Thick as hell. Okay.
Oh wait, so go in the back of the parking lot so we can see it in the distance.
Baby, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like my car is like heavier. Right here's perfect.
The Walmart sign in the back is not focusing. It's kind of just like Walmart. Like it's.
I think I just pulled a muscle. Oh, I'm so sweaty. Can you see it?
It's like a new shade of blue.